been. Not around anymore. I just want to tell my children, Kyler, my golden boy, that I love you. When you were born, it's the happiest day of my life. To have a son. A son like me. I've missed you for years. Every day I crave to see you and be with you and comfort you. You know, and that's what's hurt the most, for certain. I've done everything else. I've seen a lot of the world. This side of it, anyway. I'm straight as an arrow. But, you know, if you ever get a chance to see this, Kyler, I do love you with everything. Our trip last summer was the most valuable time that I've had with you, other than those first few years. But I love you, son. Do proud, do well with your life, do the things you want, but stay away from the things that are a waste of time. Okay. Goodbye, my son. I love you. Kelsey Coolin. There's just no words to explain to you how much I love you. Other than I miss you every day. I miss you and I miss you and I miss you. And I just think of you every day. And I want to pick up the phone and call. I know you're busy. But your dad loves you and wanted to be with you. But there's a lot of things keeping us apart. Well, experience life. The beauty of life is the little things. Finding special people you can spend it with. People that love you back. Not the shitty people. I don't know what to say. I apologize for being a terrible father, but there's nothing more I'd want than just to hang with you. It's not possible, but it's okay. Think of me from time to time. Maybe on my birthday or something, but I love you. I love you with all my heart. Don't think I don't. Wanted to say goodbye. I love you both more than anything. Just a special something I want to say about Amy. Amy, thank you. Thank you for taking care of me. Thank you for loving me like no one else ever has. I don't know what I did to deserve that. I don't know what took me so long to recognize that, but you can actually thank Ty. You know, showing me, you know, opening my eyes. Thank Ty for that. I love you. Thank you. Mom, I hope you're still around. I love you too. I miss you, miss your cooking, but just sad I'm not there to sit with you all, you four people that mean the world to me. I love you. Bye. Well, here I am. The Tool tour is over. I'm so disappointed. I loved every second. Now it's back to reality, man. Back to work. Back to a place I love. Back to a Ford store, where my heart lies. Where I was born, beside a Ford plant on Steeles Avenue in Toronto. And Toronto's bringing back great memories for me as well. So I found myself on this tour. Very fitting. Parabola. Discover yourself. Alright? And discover that you're eternal. You're eternal and you're here to stay. Okay? You're going to go through some grudges. You're going to go through some hard times. You're going to yell at some people along the way. But in the end, all we got is our eternal self. The minerals in our body and our universe that meld us and mold us all together as one humankind. No matter what color you are, no matter what sex you are, no matter if you like boys or girls and girls and girls and boys or everyone in the same room, it don't fucking matter. We're all built of the same fucking minerals that the universe gave us, and we're eternal. Remember that. And friendships are what's important in life. They're important. Love it up. This is where it started, right here on this corner. Finally the light turned green. I'm on my way. I'm here to relive the rest of my life, but until the next Tool tour, we'll see you then. Enjoy. Spiral out. Keep going.